Is the real estate market going to crash? Is the bubble going to burst? Those are the questions that I'm being asked all the time right now. And I will get into that. We'll go into the stats and we'll show you where we're at. And I've got a graph here on market conditions and what they look like. And we'll talk a little bit about market activity. So when you're in a 1, you've got kind of an increased activity. Offers have conditions on them. Which, that is kind of the normal market we see in Winnipeg. When you get into a 2, you've got multiple offers with few or no conditions. A 3 is multiple offers with no conditions, and winning offers is much higher than list price. That's currently where we have been for the last number of months. I do believe we are sliding out of that and getting closer to a 4, and I'll explain that and explain why. Every week I do market reports for different neighborhoods. Feel free to go back and take a look at any of my marketing reports, or if there's a certain neighborhood you'd like to know about, what's going on in your neighborhood, let me know and I can put something together for you. But like I'm saying that we have seen that we have been like anywhere in certain neighborhoods from a week to inventory to about a month. And we notice that there is more inventory coming on the market. So the months of inventory number is getting a little better. And I'll talk about what exactly a months of inventory is and how it's determined. If we go back to, say, December, there were lots of homes that when we were having offers dates on them or listings, we would see 30 offers on them and very high offers above list price. I think we're starting to slide down. We're still in a 3, but we're getting closer to a 4. We've noticed in the last few weeks on offers of homes we've had listed, or even with our buyers' offers going in, that there are a lot less offers on the table. Usually in that 6 range seems to be the popular kind of number lately, but we're still seeing very high prices above asking. So that has still been the case. As it slides further down and there gets to be more inventory on the market, we'll see it get closer to a 4. And now when I talked about a months of inventory, what a months of inventory, basically it takes how many homes are on the market and how many sold, and you divide them into each other, and that gives you your months of inventory. A balanced market is 4 to 6 months worth of inventory. We have been anywhere 1 week to about a month worth of inventory, depending on the neighborhood or the town outside of Winnipeg. So as we're going on, I am noticing, like I said, a little more inventory coming to market, so a little bit longer. So now, yes, we're still in a seller's market, and I believe as we get into later into the spring market and into the summer market, we'll see a little more inventory on the market, and we'll slide more towards a closer to a balanced market. We'll still be in a very good seller's market, but it'll be closer, and that'll be getting us closer to that number 4 line where good homes are selling in multiple offers, but the price needs to be wow for that to happen. Like I said, we're probably about a 3 1/4, right? 3 3/4 right now would be the number. Still a very good seller's market. Still needs to be more inventory. And I say that because a crazy seller's market's not good for the real estate economy. It's not good for the economy as a whole. We need to be a little closer to a balanced market. And that works out. Then you got happy sellers, happy buyers, and everybody's paying a fair price. After 4, you get down to multiple conditions in offers again, so you get back to kind of where your one is at. So, like I said, I think we're going to see the direction going in that way for the simple reasons there's a little more inventory is coming to the market. Interest rates have started going up a little bit, and interest rates are what is driving this right now. The next thing is, I know that the government is going to change stress test requirements again. That's probably going to happen in June, and that'll try and cool the market a little bit. It's not as big of a deal here in Winnipeg as it is in your Torontos and your Vancouver markets, where just people are buying right at the top of their budgets already. You don't find that in Winnipeg or in Manitoba. People are buying a lot less than what they can afford. So that's all I have for you. It says, no, I don't see a bust or anything like that. The demand is just too high in the foreseeable future in our real estate market. Still a great time to sell, and will be a good time for sellers well into summer and fall as well. If you have any other real estate related questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.